Today we are going to discuss octal to other number system. So in this section, we firstly we will tell about what do you mean by octal number system. So octal number system consists of consists of eight digits, eight digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with a base 8 with a base 8. So, so base of this number system is 8 because this number system has 8 digits. So, firstly we will start with octal to decimal number system. So, octal number system has a base 8 and decimal number system has a base 10. So, let us consider with one example. Okay, 243. Suppose we have to convert this octal number into decimal number system. So we will use here positional weight of each and every digit of this number. So 243. This is the unit. This is the tens digit and this is the hundred digit. So how we write it as 3 into 8 to the power 0 plus 4 into 8 to the power 1 plus 2 into 8 to the power 2. So 64, 8 to the power 2 is 64, 8 to the power 1 is 8, 4 into 8 plus 3 into 8 to the power 0 is 1. So 2 into 64, 128, 32 plus 3. So it will be equal to 30 160 160 plus 3 means 163. So this is the decimal equivalent of this octal number. So this will be the answer. Now octal number is in suppose another example will be octable number is in decimal in fractional. So suppose number is 25.25. Okay, and we have to convert it into decimal. So after fraction, we will write as 2 into 8 to the power minus 1 plus 5 into 8 to the power minus 2. Means we will move towards from right side. Okay, means and in this direction. And for integer part, we will move in this direction. Okay, so now solve it. So 2 by 8 plus 5 by 64. Okay, तो ये हो जाएगा 8.8, 2 divided by 8 is equal to 0.125 plus 0.125 plus 5 by 64 means 5 by 64 क्या होगा आपका 5 by 64 is equal to 0.078. 0.078. Now we will solve this. It is equal to 0.203125. For fractional part, uh, we will write as positional weight of this 2, 8 to the power minus 1, and this 5, 8 to the power minus 2. And for integer part, we will move in this direction, and for fractional part, we will move in in this direction. Okay. Now next is octal to binary conversion. Octal to binary conversion. Octal to binary conversion. So octal to binary conversion. Octal number has a base 8. Binary number has a base 2. So first we will draw the binary equivalent of corresponding octal numbers. So octal numbers are from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and binary equivalent of this number 000, 001, 010, 011, 100 101 110 111. So yes, let us consider one example for this conversion. Suppose you have octal number is 245.37. 245.37. This is a octal number because this number consists of only digits from 0 to 7. Okay, and you have to convert it into binary. So write down write down the binary equivalent of each and every digit of uh, octal number. So 2 means 010, 010. 4 means 100, 100. 5 means 101. Point 3 means 00111. 7 means 111. So this is the binary equivalent of given octal number. So next is octal to octal to hexadecimal conversion. Octal to hexadecimal conversion. Hexadecimal conversion. For octal to hexadecimal conversion, class octal number has a base 8 and hexadecimal number has a base of 16. Okay, so now we have to convert this octal number to hexadecimal number. So firstly we will draw the table for hexadecimal numbers. Hexa numbers and binary equivalent. Binary equivalent. So hexa numbers are from 0 to 9. Numbers are from 0 to 9 and alphabets are alphabets are A to F. So total characters are in hexadecimal numbers 16. Okay, 0 to 9 are the numbers, A to F are the alphabets. So this hexadecimal number system is also known as alphanumeric number system. So we will write a binary equivalent of corresponding hexadecimal number. So this is my table of hexadecimal number and binary equivalent of corresponding number. Okay, hex numbers and binary equivalent, right? And now we have to convert octal number to hexadecimal number. So to understand this concept, we will take one example for this. Suppose 752.664. This is my octal number and we have to convert this into hexadecimal. So what will we do? Firstly, in step 1, first we convert octal number octal number into binary. Octal number into binary. Okay. So 7 octal number binary equivalent of this 7 1115 101.6 1104 100. Now so in second step, in step 2, we will form we will form group of 4 bits. Group of 4 bits. Okay. 4 bits cube because why 4 bits here? Because hexadecimal digit hexadecimal number consists of 4 binary digits. So we will make 4 groups. In for integer part, we will move in this direction, and for fractional part we will move in this direction. Now we will form uh, groups, and each group contains 4 digits. Okay, so group 1, group 2, right? Now this one is left here. So to make another group, we will add these three zeros because here one digit is left. Okay, so now third group is also formed. Now for integer part, we will move in this direction. This zero is left, so we will add three zeros. So to add these zero, this process is called adding. This process is called adding. Right? Now we will write. Now we will write binary equivalent, hex equivalent, hex equivalent of corresponding binary, of corresponding binary. Right? So So 0001 means 0001. This is the hex number 1. Next number is 1110. 1110 means E. E. Next is 1010. 1010 means B. Point 1101. 1101. So 1101 means D. And next last is 0000. So this is the hexadecimal equivalent of given octal number. Okay, class. So here uh, we will we discussed octal to other number system. In this section, we discussed octal to decimal conversion, how to represent octal number in decimal, how to represent octal to binary, and how to represent octal to hexadecimal. So if you like my video, then press like, share, and subscribe.